Hello guys, I'm Herman. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of embedded system, where I'm going to show you how to choose a topic for your final year project. The first step in creating a final year project is choosing a project idea. It could be anything from a smart home device to a health monitoring system. Just make sure it is something you're passionate about and aligns with your interests. Once you have your project idea, it is time to plan your system. Break down the functionalities your system will have and create a block diagram to visualize the components and their interaction. After planning your system, select the components that you will need for your project. This could include microcontrollers, sensors, actuators, and communication module. Consider factors like cost, availability, and compatibility when doing this. With all the components in hand, it is time to design the circuitry. Lay out the connection between the components on the breadboard or using software like Archim Designer, Eagle, KiCad, or other software. Now comes the coding part. Write the firmware or software for your embedded system. This involves programming the microcontroller to perform the desired functions and interface with the components. Once your code is written, it is time to test your system. Check for any bugs and issues and debug as necessary. This may involve troubleshooting the hardware and software problems. After testing, finalize your design and document everything. Create schematics, write project report, and prepare a presentation for your final year project showcase. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to designing an embedded system for your final year project. Remember, it's a challenging but rewarding journey. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question or want to share your own embedded project, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time on the next one. Goodbye.